the 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.